Hello friends, welcome to ShadowZone. In this video I will show you how to use cmatrix command in termux or Linux distributions. So you can choose anyone, guys. So first of all, how to use cmatrix command in Kali or Linux distribution. You can also in termux. Okay guys, so if you are watching this video first time, so please guys subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Let's start this video. So guys, you can install from Play Store. That is available. Okay, so first of all, update all packages from this command. I'm going to type it. Okay, so apt update, enter. So guys, wait, have installed it and all packages have update. So I'm going to install Python, package install Python. Type it simple command, package install Python, have enter. So Python have installed, getting time, wait few minutes. So successfully have installed it. So I'm going to install package install cmatrix commands. So I have already installed it, you can see. So I'm going to type cmatrix command in your terminals. I'm going to type it. You can see, looking like awesome guys, looking like some device hack. So bye bye.